Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. If you are new viewers, please subscribe to see this type of video again and again. Today's question is from absolute value function. Find the minimum value of the expression e of x equals to modulus x minus 1 plus modulus x minus 2 plus modulus x minus 3 plus up to modulus x minus 100, where x is a real number. Okay, one thing only we need to know here, that is the sum of absolute differentials from set of numbers is minimized at the median of the numbers. So first we have to find median of 1, 2, 3, 4 to 100. When n is even, so the median equals to plus whole by 2. So it will be 50 plus 51 by 2, 50.5, that is median. So now it's easy to get. So we'll get E of 50.5. That will be x minus 1 modulus x minus 2 plus modulus x minus 100. Or this equals to 50.5 minus 1 plus 50.5 minus 2 50.5 minus 49, 50.5 minus 50 plus 50.5 minus 51, 50.5 minus 99, modulus value 50.5 minus 100 modulus value. So you are getting 49.5 plus 48.5 next 0.5, again 0.5 plus up to your 48.5 plus 49.5. But we can write this is summation of k equal to 1 to 50. Here 50.5 minus k, and it is twice the value. because we are getting all 2 times. This is the absolute value, it gives the same result. So now getting the values. So it will be your 2 times of, how many terms are there? It will be 50 terms are there. So summation of this value equals to sum of Sn equals to 2 into 50 by 2. And first term is your 0.5, because this is nothing but your 0.5 plus 1.5 plus 2.5 up to 49.5 and 2 times. So first term is 0.5, last term is 49.5. You are getting 50 terms, so n by 2 into 5 times is this plus 49.5 is equals to 50 into again 50. The sum is 2500. So minimum value of Ex x minus 1 plus x minus 2 x minus 3 up to x minus 100 absolute value equals to your 2500. Thank you for watching.